Alrighty, so boom. So this past week, Tesla kind of released a handful of good news actually for the company. So first off, we'll start. Tesla plans to deliver their electric semi trucks to Pepsi. Finally, so 5 years after Elon Musk revealed the prototypes and started accepting reservations for the electric big rigs, Tesla's finally delivering their first batch, and it'll be to Pepsi. There were some other companies on this reservation list as well, such as Walmart. We've got JB Hunt, DHL Supply Chain, UPS, and FedEx. But on December 1st, Tesla will deliver their first semis to Pepsi. Musk tweeted on Thursday, October 6th, that the large food and beverage company has stated it has reserved 100 of the trucks and anticipates deploying a pilot program of 15 trucks by the end of this year. Pepsi confirmed Friday, October 7th, via Twitter that it will receive delivery of the first Tesla trucks early in December at their Frito-Lay plant in Modesto, California, and beverage factory in Sacramento, California. Elon Musk first unveiled the Tesla semis in November of 2017 and planned to have them go into production in 2019. However, though, some supply chain issues kind of got in the way of that plan. But now, in 2022, which is what, 5 years later, the first trucks are finally being sent out. It's also funny to note that earlier this year, Elon Musk kind of made a tweet joking, saying that he would buy Coca-Cola to put cocaine back in it. So it's kind of a bit ironic that his first delivery is going to Pepsi. Alrighty, so next up was a bit of an interesting one. So Tesla briefly leaked some of their, well, not some of, all of their upcoming Supercharger locations, which is kind of a wild thing to leak. So Tesla appeared to have unintentionally revealed every future Supercharger location worldwide. But the problem got fixed pretty quickly. The Supercharger network will evolve as a result of Tesla allowing non-Tesla electric vehicles to use their network. And Tesla has been building new stations at a record pace lately. So a DC fast charging stations deployment is actually a lot more difficult than people realize. Once Tesla has decided what it wants or needs to build a new supercharger in a particular location, it must then have to find a piece of land to build it on and then get the owner's consent to a contract. They then have to design the project and get it approved by the local electric utility. Then it needs to get a local contractor to actually do the installation and work with the local utility to have it turned on. And because any little issue that may pop up along any stage of this process, it can cause a pretty lengthy delay, and it can even be canceled, the projects. So Tesla rarely discloses the exact locations of their planned supercharger stations until they are 100% sure and ready that it's going to be fulfilled. This is why it seemed a bit odd when people online discovered Tesla posting exact addresses for every station around the world, basically, that they would open up in the future. But it was clearly a bug because Tesla fixed this issue pretty quickly. But this is what it looked like before they fixed it. And then lastly, Tesla announced that they will start removing ultrasonic sensors from their new models as part of a strategy to replace ultrasonic sensors with solely cameras for its safety and driver assistance features. Tesla announced that they will start removing them from its cars this month. Currently, the front and rear bumpers of Tesla vehicles are equipped with 12 ultrasonic sensors. The main application for the short range sound sensors are in the parking and detecting nearby objects. This in turn will ensure Tesla will spend less on production and chip cost, as we are kind of in a bit of a chip shortage. So this will be good for production costs. Um, Elon Musk has claimed that Tesla can achieve complete autonomy using only cameras. In addition to this, Tesla's autopilot system has been under increased regulatory, judicial, and public criticism. So Tesla has been quite in the spotlight lately as Elon Musk has been making a lot of moves all over the place. But this seems to be a good direction for their vehicles moving forward. But that pretty much is going to wrap up the most important news that came from Tesla this week to start off the month of October. It seems that Tesla is making some moves in the right direction for the company, regardless if their share prices kind of took a dump this week. Regardless, though, I hope you did enjoy this quick little update on what's going on. Be sure to leave a like if you did enjoy it. I'd greatly appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe for more informational content, regarding global markets, crypto markets, and then everything else in between.